Python's popularity has been steadily rising over the past decade. In 2021, 15% of all Stack Overflow queries were tagged with Python. Built with reports that there are approximately 118,269 active Python websites and 689,943 websites that have used Python in the past. Today, we will explore various Python frameworks that can optimize your web development projects. A Python framework functions as a foundation or substructure for your software development project, much like any other framework. These frameworks automate the typical stages in creating applications using Python, saving developers from starting from scratch. This automation allows Python developers to save time and increase productivity, ultimately benefiting your business. Python is an object-oriented, general-purpose programming language that can be interpreted. Its designers prioritized code readability, making it highly productive. Python's natural English language usage and simple-to-understand code blocks are notable examples of this idea. Python's extensive standard library, including high-level data structures like lists and dictionaries, makes it suitable for both front-end and back-end development. The distinctions between Python frameworks and libraries are often misunderstood. Both provide developers with useful functionalities, but their similarities end when it comes to complexity and specialization. Python libraries offer helpful methods for specific tasks with minimal complexity. In contrast, frameworks provide a clear concept of how your application might appear, enabling additional depth and complexity. There are many Python frameworks, and the choice depends on factors like scalability, expertise, and business goals. Full-stack frameworks support both front-end and back-end development, providing all necessary tools. Micro-frameworks are lightweight and flexible, allowing developers to add third-party libraries as needed. Asynchronous frameworks enable high-performance concurrent connections, making them ideal for event-driven applications. Python is experiencing a strong upward trend, with demand rising and no signs of slowing down. Many top tech companies such as Google and Netflix use Python frameworks for web development. Here are some of the top Python frameworks for 2023. Django, a free, open-source framework that allows developers to quickly develop complex code and apps. It is one of the most popular Python frameworks, used in over 12,000 projects. Django offers powerful features like built-in authentication, a database that uses object-oriented programming, and multiple cache mechanisms. CherryPy, an open-source framework that is almost 10 years old, known for its stability and speed. It embeds its own multi-threaded server and can handle tasks like file uploads, session management, and static content. CherryPy allows developers to produce web applications in the same way they would any other object-oriented Python program. Pyramid, a minimalistic framework based on Python 3, used by tech giants like Yelp and Dropbox. It is valued for its transparency and versatility, making it suitable for both simple and complex projects. Pyramid offers features like URL mapping, validation, and flexible authentication. TurboGears, a full-stack framework designed to address the shortcomings of other mobile application development frameworks. It supports various databases and web servers and uses a Model View Controller (MVC) architecture. TurboGears simplifies Python website development with tools like Squelchemy and WebOb. Web2. Pi, a cross-platform framework that includes a code editor, debugger, and deployment tool. It simplifies the development of Python apps via a web server, SQL database, or an online interface. Web2. Pi's ticketing framework issues tickets when there is a problem, encouraging clients to track and follow the status of errors. By understanding and utilizing these Python frameworks, developers can optimize their web development projects, saving time and increasing productivity. Whether you choose a full-stack, micro, or asynchronous framework, Python offers a versatile and powerful solution for your software development needs.